Welcome back, guys. So it is currently very early in the morning, wide awake, so why not cut some stickers out for the FRS. We have some cherry blossoms, and we also have some new carbon fiber turn signal fender garnishes. Now, I'll link these in the description, and shout out to Dylan for getting these for Carissa. You know you got some true friends when they're buying you car parts like this. Really? So the actual plan for these is take them apart, get the light out, which is super simple on these. It's just a single screw, and then, really? And then that light will come out. And then what I'm going to do is just mask off where the carbon is, and where this black mesh is, I will be painting that white. And the reason I'm painting that white is because on the car itself, it's dark outside, so I'm not going to go out there to try to show you guys. Hi. On the car itself, you have where the fender garnishes go, and then you have this body line that follows along top of the door and then swoops up into the rear quarter. So that is going to be white going all the way across. And since this is all black, I need to add some white to it to get it to make sense, match up, and not just stand out. And underneath the white vinyl right here is where we're going to be applying the cherry blossom stickers. So it'll give it the embossed effect. All right, all masked off. Now let's start painting. All right, so we got these all painted up and looking clean. And to install these, they're really simple. Now, if you've already taken these off, then you already know, but there's usually some double-sided 3M tape right behind here that you need to kind of pry this off. All you have to do, get behind this and pop it off. Bunch of crap gets stuck behind here. You'll have these 6 little holes here, and that's for these clips. Now, when you get these, you're going to need to take these clips off and transfer them over to this side, and then it's got some 3M tape. Stick it on there, and then the wiring harness itself, you just feed through that hole. And then you'll have these connectors with it. You'll unplug the turn signal. At least on FRS's, the turn signal is going to be down here. Each model is a little bit different, the GT86, the BRZ, and everything else like that. But basically you just unplug your turn signal, plug one end into the harness coming from the vehicle, the other end going to the turn signal, and then you'll have this little connector left over, and that is what sends signal to those. So on this car, it's going to be super simple because we don't have a fender liner. So you can see light shining through right here. That's coming from right there. So literally just feed the wires through, zip tie them up, and then the connections for the turn signal are right down in here. You may need to remove the bumper or pull the splash guard back or anything else like that in order to access it. But the installation of this is super straightforward. It's plug and play. You don't have to cut and splice or anything else like that. It comes with instructions, but I mean, realistically, you don't really need it. So go ahead and transfer these clips. These just slide off. Super simple. And then to reinstall them, you just do the reverse. Get them lined up, push them into place. So when you go to put these on, feed the wire through the hole, and then look at where these tabs are actually lining up, because you may need to adjust them side to side. But once you get those kind of mocked up, lined up where they're supposed to go, then you can just pop this into place. And don't forget to remove the tape for the 3M double side tape there. All right, so I've gone ahead and unplugged the wiring for the turn signal, and now the harness that comes with the fender garnishes, we'll just plug into both ends of that, and then you'll just run the rest of this wire up and over and through here to meet up with this wire, so that you'll have the turn signals in the fender garnish. So before I tidy everything back up, I just wanted to test it out. So you have the front turn signal on and the side marker. And now, granted, if it was a little darker out, more of this would be visibly lit up, but still works. But yeah guys, that is it. It's as simple as that. Looks super nice, and just added a little bit more carbon to the car. And there's carbon everywhere right now, but super nice. See how I like the white and everything, see how Carissa likes it. Like I said, we're going to be adding some stuff here, but that looks damn good.